Alright, so I'm out in the store right now. I just found some plantain, right? Regular plantain, Jamaican style plantain. But then you have Hawaiian plantain. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what the taste is like. See, they look weird, short and fat. See if I see them taste like a Jamaican plantain. Some of them kind of bruised, but once you can pick out a nice ripe one, bring it to home and fry. Okay? Try it out, I couldn't know what I go on.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So here are the plantains I got from the supermarket. It's about 2 days later and I'm about to try them out. Never tried Hawaiian plantains before. And you know I have plantains out on the channel. How to do your Tostones with the green plantain and how to do your ripe fried plantain. So that's why I bought the 2 different colors to test out and see how they taste versus the Jamaican way. So the first one we're going to be doing, of course, are the fried plantains. So let me see if it can open up. All right, if it looks ripe, feels a little bit tough though. So it looks as if I can't peel it like our plantain. So let me see how this peel. Yeah, seems as if it wants to be a little bit more ripe. Yeah. So for all those who are from Hawaii, that's in the chat. Let me know where I go on. You see, I'm approaching it like it can peel like our Jamaican plantain, but that's not the case. Yeah, it's not the case, my friends, and it look ripe. See, have even the bruise like our plantain does, but probably it needs more ripening, or probably it is firm. As me say, comment below. Okay, have a little progress here, but the skin is very thick. Alright, let me see what I go on. See, it's peeling like our plantain, but for some reason it's tougher. Holy. It's like it's almost still green. Alright. Over here, so feel a little bit riper. This is weird. Some of this feel riper than some parts. Alright, I'm totally butchering this right now, you know. Because again, I'm approaching it like our plantain. Jesus have mercy. Watch a man. You think what you call him plantain again when you look like that. And plantain no good. Alright people, we still gotta continue with the experiment. This is not like an official video. It's an experiment. Never had their plantain before, so we're gonna try it out. Alright, let's call this I tried so you don't have to. How about that? Yeah. This is not one of my regular cooking tutorials. Yes, I try something so you don't have to. We call something with that thing again, like it carbine. Yeah, you see that? You see that? It's not even fully ripe, but it gone bad already. You see that? Yeah, I could even tell. Because again, we're going for the Jamaican plantain. So I could see if we can save some of this. Totally butchering this right now. Hopefully the green one will taste better. I didn't do any farmer research on it. Because again, it's plantain, so I approach it like our plantain. But for the most part, this thing is no good, man. Alright, we can see what we can save out of it. Because it's round, I cut it into circles. Do it little justice there. Cut it into some circles. Yeah. It's not a good look already. Not too thick, not too thin. You know the planting procedure, how we do it. Yeah. Very stainy, so you know it's not ripe, even though it appears to be. Probably want to be ripe to the point where the skin is dark. Alright, it smells good. It smells like our plantain. Throw this one, I will be back. Alright, the green one now. I need some oil for this. Alright, I'm going to go into the green one. green one, and now I'm going to do something like this. Alright, so we can get underneath there. Yeah, it smells like green plantain. Smells just like our plantain. But the ripe one, they kind of throw me way off. Alright. Come on. Alright. If we go underneath a little bit more. Planting of people. Okay. See, not even allow me to go under. Whereas our green planting, I could just go underneath the slits and just peel away. So guess what? We're not going to do all of that because this skin is very robust on this. So we're just going to peel it. This is not how we typically do our Jamaican planting, but for this one, just gonna have to peel it. As I said before, if you have any experience with this type of Hawaiian planting, let me know. And how much I pay for this? Probably like $2 per pound. Yeah, $2 a pound. You know, look at me, I waste a lot, but the skin is very thick. So I trim off and see it kind of go bad. Feel like the green one now go bad because I salt it and then peel it. Alright. I cut this into rings. I know how starchy, but this way starchier. I'm gonna add some oil. Just enough to cover the base. So this is what I got from the ripe piece, right? So I'm just gonna add those in. Oil is somewhat hot. Yep, just see what I go on. This come like green itself to rotted. See? They must spoil. And the middle star rot already. Come like a yam me a cook. Jaja. You have this on a medium heat. Because again, don't want to overdo it. But yeah, these are not soft as our ripe plantain in one bit, even though the skin was very ripe and had those black marks like our plantain does. This is our Jamaican plantain. You see, you have the same bruises like that one. We're going to fry this one. Then just cut this like this and peel our plantain. Still starchy, but easier to peel. You see the difference? This is what I'm talking about. So our plantain do this. You can't do that with their plantain, even though it has the same look on the exterior. Right? I'm going to cut mine a little bit different. Just like this, so that you can see the obvious difference. Yes, this is still somewhat starchy, but way different. Yeah, the whole of them planting come like all the Jamaican and come out in carbine, man. I would say carbine people, we are talking about it start become tough in the middle before it ripe. You see that? You see that? I'm going to put them in there and fry them beside them one day. And drop them in. But what are them carbine? Probably I store them and get them, you know. Them produce no good. See if we can start smell sweet. You know, if I feel me smell sweet, the Jamaican one, it might feel me like my own Jamaica. You know, if the Jamaican one smells sweet, or the Hawaiian one, but Hawaiian one is basically like green plantain. You see how it look? You know, get that nice color that you would get on the regular Jamaican plantain. But we're trusting the process here. We're not crush these or add no salt or anything. This is an experiment, my friends. I'm doing it so you don't have to. But if you still want to give it a try at home, be my guest. Alright? Alright, kind of give you a little breadfruit look. And because I cut them a little bit thick, because you know sometimes ripe plantain, you fry them, if they're too thin, they break up. So I cut these a little bit thick. So I'm going to make them soak properly. I'm going to test them if they're sweet or not. See our plantain now, watch it. It's slowly caramelizing. And even if it has this look, still going to have a look of like it's soft. But let me not jump the gun, I could just fry it and see where I go on. And based off of how it tastes, I'm going to do some research. I deliberately didn't do any research on them because I wanted to see if I was going to get that same texture and everything like the Jamaican plantain. But no. So after this, I may go back to the store and grab a few of them and do some research on how the Hawaiians prepare their plantain and see if the results are different. I will take out them now, come now and them burn. Nice little color, you get me? Take them out now. And start caramelize fast. You know, so the sugar content in these are higher. I take out full one them before them burn black, right? Alright, my friends, these don't look all that bad, right? I'm gonna go in now with the green ones. Yeah. You don't want to overcrowd the pan because when you press them out, they're going to become bigger. So probably even this 6, 7 that's in here is going to be too much for the second fry. So I'm going to have to do like 4 at a time. So I'm going to wrap a bowl, bottom of it with plastic wrap. Turn these. Nice little color. As expected. That's the color that you're looking for. And once we turn them now, then we're just going to give them another 2 minutes on the other side. Yeah, you see that? The black part? Yeah. Was going bad from the center. Alright, remove them. We're just going to press them. Alright. Give them a press like that. Flatten them. Back into the hot oil. You can flip them over. As at this point, oil is super hot. That's what I like. I like them crunchy. You know. Yeah, man. Remove them, drain them. So I'm going to be adding some salt immediately. Using some pink salt here. Not too much. Just a little bit. Alright, so take a nice look at them again. And we're going to give it a taste test. So yeah, this is the Hawaiian plantain. You see me? Give it a try. It soft out pretty good. Alright, the middle light look weird. As I say, it carbine. Like it almost was rotting. You see that? Yeah, I like how the middle looks. Steam a fly out that though. But around it though, it soft out nicely, surprisingly. I think it go more tough. See it? The inside look like our plantain. But again, the center of it carbine tough, like it go bad from the center. So it's safe to say I didn't get the best one, even though it looks so good on the outside. The flavor though is similar to our plantain. Slightly sweet. You see me? Slightly sweet. But you know when you get a Jamaican plantain, if you know about plantain, if it's not too the riper it is, the darker the skin is, the sweeter it is. So I believe it's the same for this one. The texture is good. It's not as what I would want it to be. I like my plantain soft and sweet. But given the fact that it was so what you call it now? Starchy when I was cutting into it, it's starchy like a raw breadfruit. It's very good for how it turn out, can make it soak. So you can say cook, right? Alright. Show the texture of that and the texture of our plantain. And again, I gotta try to be fair, so I got the centerpiece, which is carbine, just like that one there. Because centerpiece in our plantain is the same as this, so I think it's the store. I can get these green plantain and put them in there for them force ripe. And so they never fit properly with this food. Alright. You'll be the judge. Texture wise. When you say texture wise, come here and early. This are about Italian. This are the Hawaiian one. This is a Jamaican one. I'd say texture wise it's very similar. And the thing make this even better, two of them was going bad from the center. So two of them carbine up, meaning have that like a tough taste, you know. But Jamaican one is sweeter than this one. I'm not being biased, trust me. But I can see this getting sweeter than it actually is. Because, you know, come here, it turned not fully ripe. Yeah. Similar taste, just taste like a plantain, but could have ripe a little bit more. So I get some grace, I got actually do some research and see how them go about doing theirs if they make you get dark upon the skin when you are fried. Right? But Jamaican plantain, nothing no changed. It's a better piece here. You see me? This is the end piece and the carbine up, so I can taste what I want. Again, not as soft as I'd want it to be, because I like my plantain overripe and sweet, but this is not bad. When I go to store, I buy this with a vex. I come here buy have in my heart. I'm not feeling away. You see me? Yeah. Okay. Now there's some mommy can try. Get me a nice one. You see that? Beautiful, very thin like a paper. That's how I like it. Like a paper thin. Try that out now. You just like I eat regular crushed plantain like the Jamaican one. This is good. Very crunchy. That's why I like my plantain. Then I'm crispy. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's what you would expect from a green plantain. But honestly, I wouldn't choose the right plantain over mine. I just stick to female one. You know what I say? And do that. But if you're in an area where you can't find the Jamaican plantain and you buck up on the Hawaiian plantain, you can substitute. Yeah, man.
Are you doing it, Frank?
Come on, try it. Try it. Taste that one. Mommy, yeah, come taste this. Watch out. Oh,
Thank one.
Well, it tastes different
But
from
for
the
Jamaican
Jamaican.
tastes better.
But it don't taste much of a big difference. Kind of tastes like banana in a way. Like green banana.
So the ripe one?
No, it's like green one. I'm a double fry and crush it. See ripe one. Then carbine though. Yeah, try it. You see what I look? Then carbine. Don't buy it to make it kind of dark. Right? Now it tastes stainy. Because when I peel it, come like a raw breadfruit, it's dry. But this one a carbine too, you know. But taste this one.
It's a fruit plantain.
Fruit plantain this one. Fruit carbine too, but taste it carbine one and the carbine one. And see it taste. It is more clear.
This tastes better. And the carbine.
And it's sweeter.
People not like Jamaica. Jamaica.
So yeah.
Can't Jamaica out of the race. Jamaica the number one in any food.
But if they can't find this Jamaican plantain fine, so they can still use it.
But I think the green one, you know,
The Hawaiian.
orange is better than the ripe part.
Got the ripe one, I said too. So the green Hawaiian plantain
Pick up.
is better than the ripe one.
Leave a comment. Share. Go on, big up on yourself.
That is it.
I'm out.